Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on OPPO Reno11 F. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And now you can click this button to skip introduction and then click not now. Now you can click open permissions and here click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.